So students, this question we were already doing. So what they are saying is 10 years ago they are talking about, right? So a father was 6 times as old as his daughter. So let the age 10 years ago, okay, of the daughter be x. So father is 6x, right? As it is told that father was 6 times as old as his daughter, right? Then they are talking about after 10 years, right? So 10 years ago, it means that 10 years ago to present, and then after 10 years. So here the gap is 10, and here also the gap is 10. So we will write after 10 years. After 10 years, daughter's age will be x. From this 10 year to present, okay, before 10 years they told, means from present they went over here. Before 10 years they're talking about. After 10 years means from this 10 years they came over here. So 10 years gap over here, 10 gap. Again from there they came here. From the present they went into the future, means after 10 years. So one more 10-year gap. 10 plus 10, 20. So we will be writing over here 20. X plus 20 years is the age of daughter. And what about father? Father's age was 6x, right? So he will be written as 6x plus 20 years, right? Okay. So what is the question said? That after 10 years there should be a comma over here, okay? This comma means that after 10 years you have to do some calculation, and this is the calculation. Understood? This is the calculation to be done. After 10 years he will be twice as old as his daughter. So the question is saying that father will be twice as old as daughter. So twice into the age of daughter. So what is the father's age? 6x plus 20, right, is equal to 2 into the age of daughter is x plus 20, right? So 6x plus 20 is equal to 2 into x gives you 2x plus, and this is also plus 2, correct? Plus into plus is plus. 2 into 20 is 40. Now what will happen? Variable on one side on the LHS and the constants on RHS. So we will be doing transposition of 2x in LHS and transposition of 20 in RHS. So this 2x after transposition becomes plus 2x becomes minus 2x. So 6x and 2x comes on left hand side. That's why it became from plus to minus. This is equal to 40 was already there into the right hand side, right? From here again this 20 will come, right? This 20 the transposition will happen over here. This is positive, this will become negative. So 40 minus 20 is 20, which implies that 6x minus 2x is 4x is equal to 20. Again, this means that a into x is equal to b, which we have done, right? So your x value will be b by a, correct? X value will be 20 by 4, which is 5. You got x as 5. So what they are asking? They are asking determine their present age. What will be the present age? Students, you see, whatever the age was given, x and 6x, this was given 10 years ago. Present age will be x plus 10, okay? Present age will be x plus 10 and 6x plus 10. This has to be written at the end. That's why I have cut it, okay? So since we got x equal to 5, so present age, as I explained you, will be daughter x plus 10 means 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 years. And father is equal to 6x plus 10.